How to use Warfarin Mice Control. Warfarin is an anticoagulant widely used in solid or liquid commercial mouse poison products. It is tasteless and odorless and is designed to be combined with a bait. As mice consume the poison bait over the course of several days, their internal toxicity increases until they die. Warfarin can be used in areas in which dropping or repelling is not feasible, and it can effectively eliminate mouse infestations. Things you will need: liquid warfarin-based mouse poison, solid warfarin-based mouse poison, water, dish, peanut butter, mouse bait station. Obtain a mouse poison formulated with warfarin. For best results, select a liquid-based poison product and a solid poison product. Warfarin is used in several major mouse control product brands, including Kaput, Talon, and Rodex. Create a water bait if you have a mouse problem in an area in which moisture is limited or absent, or if your climate is dry and warm. Add the liquid warfarin poison to water according to the specific product's guidelines, as toxicity varies by product. Pour into a plastic dish that is no higher than 2 inches in depth. Place the dish in an area that is frequented by mice. Mix a solid bait for all other situations, or to boost the efficacy of the water bait. Combine the solid warfarin pellets, powder or granules with peanut butter or a similar bait material according to the individual product's guidelines. Place the bait in a mouse bait station. The station shields the poison bait from being accessed by pets, small children and other wildlife. Place the station in an area where mice activity is present. Common areas include garages, attics and dark, shaded areas away from human activity. Wait. Warfarin requires several doses before it is lethal to mice. Replenish the water or solid bait as the mice drink or consume it. Tips: warnings. Some mouse populations may have built up a chemical resistance to warfarin due to the chemical's long-term use throughout North America. You may need to try alternative rodent poisons if warfarin doesn't effectively control mice in your area.